In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track billable hours in FreshBooks. To get started, sign into your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard, where you can access the tools you need to manage time and billing. Make sure you're using the correct account and workspace before entering any hours, especially if you handle multiple clients or projects. Next, look over to the left-hand menu and click Time Tracking. This is the section where FreshBooks lets you record the hours you've spent working, so they can later be billed accurately. Using time tracking is helpful because it keeps your records organized and makes invoicing much easier down the line. Once you're in the time tracking area, click Add a Client or Project. From there, choose the specific client or project you want to bill. This step is important because it connects the time entry to the right job. Taking a moment to select the correct client or project helps prevent confusion later when you're reviewing your hours or preparing an invoice. After that, click Add a Service and choose the service that was performed. This could be something like consulting, design, writing, or any service you've already set up in FreshBooks. Selecting the right service helps make your billing more detailed and professional, and it also gives your client a clearer understanding of what they're being charged for. Now enter the amount of time worked in the HHMM field. Be sure to type the hours and minutes in the correct format so the entry is recorded properly. This is where accuracy really matters, since even small mistakes in time tracking can affect your invoice totals. Next, select or confirm the date for the time entry. If you're logging time on the same day you completed the work, the date may already be correct. Still, it's always a good idea to double-check it so your records stay accurate and in order. If needed, you can also enter notes describing the work completed. This step is optional, but it can be very useful. Notes give extra context to the time entry and can help both you and your client understand exactly what was done during that build time. Before saving, make sure the billable checkbox is enabled. This tells FreshBooks that the time should be included as billable work, rather than just tracked for internal reference. Finally, click the checkmark button to save the billable time entry. Once you do that, your hours will be recorded and ready to use when it's time to create an invoice. And that's it. You've successfully tracked billable hours in FreshBooks.